Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your phone getting really hot during PUBG Mobile matches or throttling and dropping frames and the longer you play? Here's the fix. First, remove your phone case while playing since cases trap heat and stop it from escaping during PUBG Mobile's graphic intensive rendering. Never charge your phone while playing since charging and gaming together generate the most heat of any combination and is the single biggest cause of overheating. Close every other app running in your recent app list before starting a match. Since background apps like cloud backup, screen recorders, and social apps add extra processor load, go to settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and free up space since low storage forces the processor to work harder on loading map data, generating more heat. If your phone still runs hot, take a short break between matches to let it cool naturally and check settings, general, and software update to make sure your IS is current since updates often include thermal management improvement. So, all you've got to do is remove your phone case, never charge while playing, closing background apps and freeing up storage. Your phone stays cooler, and that's it. Subscribe.